There are many different types of volcanoes. Let's explore them together. Tap here to see inside the volcano. A shield volcano is shaped like a shield. Oh, the lava is flowing so slowly. A cone volcano looks like a pyramid. Wow! The lava is spewing out so high! An extinct volcano is a volcano that will never erupt again. The extinct volcano is so quiet. A dormant volcano is just asleep, but the substance inside is still moving. Wow! The volcanic eruption is so cool! Today, Quacky has learned what's inside of the earth. So let's make an earth with our hands. Yeah! Quacky loves to do crafts. Tap to see what materials need to be used. Colored clay, toy knife, rolling pin, clay model. Let's get started. The outer core and the inner core are put together and are called the Earth's core. Which color should we use for the Earth's core? Use your hands to knead the clay together. It's done! Next, let's make the mantle. Which color should we use for the mantle? Use your hands to knead the clay together. Use the rolling pin to make it flat. The mantle should be wrapped around the Earth's core. Next, let's make the Earth's crust. What color should we use? Use your hands to knead the clay together. Use the rolling pin to make it flat. The crust is done too. That's awesome! There are many lands on Earth. Place the lands on the Earth. Let's decorate your Earth. The Earth is done! You're great! Use the toy knife to cut open the Earth. What does it look like? Look! It looks like this. Do you remember what they're called? The crust, the mantle, the core? Quacky can identify them all! Quacky is so clever. Quack, 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 quack.
Volcano, volcano.
Put it together.
Volcano. 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 Volcano.
The magma rushes out of the ground and the volcano erupts.
Volcano. Volcano.
Read it together.
Volcano. Volcano.
Volcano.
Rock. Rock.
Put it together.
Rock. 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 Rock.
The mantle is hot and rocks melt into magma.
Rock. Rock.
Read it together.
Rock. Rock.
Rock.
Hot. Hot.
Put it together.
Hot. 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 Hot.
The magma spewing from the volcano is hot and steaming. It can even ignite flames.
Hot. Hot.
Read it together.
Hot. Hot.
Hot.